What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Woo! It's hot. That's one thing. And it's been a while since I've made a video, a vlogged. Kind of been going through some things, so kind of been like behind on a lot of things. Was it not Memorial Weekend, but the weekend before that? It was my mom's birthday, and I was vlogging, and when I was trying to upload the videos, there was nothing in my camera. Like, everything was deleted, so there was that. But yeah, so, excuse me. Speaking of Memorial Weekend, I hope you guys all had a great Memorial Weekend. I stayed home and did absolutely nothing. So mine was kind of boring, but sometimes I prefer to be home. Anyways, I kind of wanted to make the intro short because I'm about to go bike riding with one of my friends. I believe in downtown Phoenix, and I wanted to bring you guys with me. I think she's actually waiting on me right now, so kind of like in a rush, but that's kind of me. Kind of take my time. Well, that's not true. I just move slowly. But yeah, so I wanted to bring you guys with me. Like I said, like I've never been to downtown Phoenix, or at least I've never been bike riding in downtown Phoenix. So I'm pretty excited, try new things and stuff like that. So yeah, I'll see you guys there. Let's go. All right, guys, we made it. I'm like riding a bike. Alright guys, this is Amaya. Hi! Hey! Say hey to the YouTube fam! Guys, this is so pretty. I've lived here for how many months? I've never heard of this before.
Really? Oh, there's another one that you missed.
It's Maya again. This is so beautiful, guys. I'm in love. Look at the sunset.
Right.
Alright guys, let me finish bike riding. I'll be back in a bit. You guys, who knew that they had stuff like this here in Arizona? Ran out these little paddleboard, little everything. I'm definitely coming back during the daytime, maybe, because it's so hot. I'm gonna rent one of these out. So beautiful. Beautiful, guys. The plane, so close to the airport. Just look at the view. Okay, maybe not this view, but it's still so pretty. Okay guys, the bike that I was talking about, this is the bike that we did. It's like $1 an hour. It's called OFO. If I'm saying it wrong, let me know, but that's what it is. It was pretty fun. Just make sure you guys bring some Clorox wipes to wipe it, because you just never trust. Look how beautiful. Alright guys, so that was pretty fun if you ask me. I would definitely recommend it. I definitely want to go back. It was just the view was beautiful, like it was amazing. The weather wasn't so bad either, so that's kind of like a good thing. Wasn't really able to vlog and like ride the bike at the same time because it's not as easy as it looks. It was actually really hard. I almost fell a couple times, so but it was so beautiful. Like, look at this, guys. This is the bridge, okay? Driving over the bridge now. We didn't stay for long, so maybe next time we'll stay like a little longer, but yeah. Well, I'm driving home, guys. Definitely don't want to get a ticket. So I'll see you guys out. Alright guys, so I made it home. After we went bike riding, we went to, I think it was Mill Ave. I don't know, I'd have to double check because I totally forgot already. But we just like walked, there's like a bunch of restaurants, bars, like whatever. We just literally just walked down and then walked back to the car. Because I haven't explored Arizona yet. So if you guys know of any places, comment down below and let me know so I can go check it out, because I literally stay home all day every day if I'm not working. It's sometimes boring. Yeah. So I am gonna end today's video right here. I apologize that it was so short. Who knew riding a bike and vlogging was hard? I just thought I was like good at vlogging and riding a bike, but I'm not. My balance was like so off, I almost fell like 10 times. But yeah, so thank you for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you guys later.